Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to guide you how we can use Insightly CRM platform. So the first thing that we are going to do, we are going to top right, try CRM free. Now, if you already have account guys, just completely skip this step. So first name and last name, Marcus Stone, and I'm going to add an email address and paste it here. And password is going to be this one. I agree and create my account. Verify with Google. Okay, I will go to my Gmail account and I'm just going to verify it. So let's go like this. And let me verify it straight away. And it goes. We're setting up your new Insightly experience. And here we go. What is your organization name? So let's set it up and let's write here Sunwe. Number of people of your organization, 1 to 5. Your organization industry, I'm in consulting. And then I'm going to add a number. Let's go. Okay, now the next thing that you can do, guys, is to invite your coworkers. You can invite people to your organization. So you would add first name, last name, email address. Right here, you can also add more people and you would send invites. And now here we are. So what we can do in Insightly CRM, the next part of what I'm going to show you is a walkthrough. So what you can find here and what ways we are going to learn how to use Insightly. First, we will look on the tasks, where you can create tasks here. Contacts, we will be creating a contact. Organization, so we will go like this. First, we will create a contact with organization. Then we will go to leads, opportunities. We will learn how we can easily create a project. Also, how we can work with emails. And how we can write a new email. And then we are going to calendar, dashboard, and reports. So this is what all we will learn in this video. Now, let me start first with the home. In home, you will be able to see this like reporting, but live reporting about what is actually happening in your CRM. So you can also like take this and move it as much as you want, as you can see. You can optimize it, you can clone this card or refresh the card. You can go to the right action and have it like this. Or return to default card size. What you could do is also go to top right and click plus here, and you can optimize it by adding new contact, organization, and everything directly here. And you can also optimize how this looks. I will also show you how you can do it with the settings, because you're gonna see the home views right here, recent activity, and you can switch between project dashboard, leads dashboard, and that's pretty much it. So this is how the home works. Now let's go further and let's look together, guys, how we can create contacts. Under tasks, I'm going to click on contacts and you would find all your contacts here. Full name, title, phone, email. And you can go to top right and click new contact. Right here, you would have a prefix, first name, last name. So I'm going to write Marcus client. Organization, I would have right here. But what I can do, I can directly create a new organization. And let's create organization name, Sun Organization. And you would add all the necessary details. So phone, fax, website, LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter. Then you would have also billing address as a billing street, billing city, billing state. I know that you have your own organization to add here, so I'm not really filling up because this is pretty straightforward and understandable. Then dates to remember, description information about the organization. This can be like really important information that you have about your organization that you're gonna add here with your contact tag list, and you can select tags here or right here, like let's say Sun. Then you can like filter it by tags and permissions to everyone, only the record owner, select a team, select individual people, save and return. Now when I clicked save and return, the organization was created, and right now I have the Marcus client. Title, we don't have title. Email, I would have here gmail.com. I can have also email opt out. I can have phone number here. Assistant phone, assistant name, fax, LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter. Then I have address information as a mailing address, other address here. So you would like edit, dates to remember, date of birth. I'm 96, August 21st. Oh, I will have birthday soon. Description, tag list, and permissions for like who can see it. Everyone, only the record owner, select a team, select individual people. Then I would click save. Voila, you see it right here. So here I got the organization and I got all the information about the client, the contact here. I can see also the related to organization, to opportunities that we will be creating, to projects, contacts, notes, files. And we will be creating opportunity and everything directly for this client. So I'm going to skip this step where we can do it right here. And I'm going to show you how we can actually do it in the tab of organization. And then when we are going to create it in, let's say, opportunities or projects, we will see it right here. That's going to be really good. And then you would see activity of activities for emails, tasks, events, and total activities for the contact that you have. Of course, you can always edit it. And you can edit your client. Now, when I'm going to click on a contact, I can simply search and look at this. Marcus client, full name Marcus Stone, that's me. So this is how you can work with contacts. Now, the next thing are organization. This is something that we already created, so I will skip this step. This is really similar to contacts. You would go to top right and click new organization, and you would add an organization name here. Then you would add a phone number, website, LinkedIn, Facebook, billing address, everything, right? Then we have a leads here. Leads, this is the next thing that we are going to work on. So, how to work with leads? I will just write it up. I would go to top right. Let's click new lead here. And now, this is a lead. So we have a contact, but you can have leads that are like, okay, you understand what lead means. Marcus lead. Now I would have a title of an organization. Let's say I'm going to company, lead status, and you can have it not contacted, attempted contact, contacted, or disqualified. So let's say it's contacted. User responsibility, it's me. Then I would have a lead rating. You can have whatever rating you want. Let's say it's 3, like pretty good. Email address. You can add phone number, mobile phone, fax, website, industry, number of employees, and also lead source here. Address then. And then description information, tag information, and permissions. So again, this is really similar when you are actually creating a contact, that you're going to add an address here, a description information about the lead, and tag information. So now I'm just going to click save. You can click save and new and add in more leads. So leads is something that I met someone and I was just going to write about the person, the leads that I have, because it's not yet my contact. It's a lead that I have. And I could even like not contact it here. So you can have like multiple leads. Save. And this is how you can work with leads. Now, when you're gonna have leads here, you're gonna see the lead status of not contacted, attempted contact, contacted, and you can have it converted. You can have also related activities, but you see, for leads, you can't have project, you can have opportunities. You can't have it only because it's a lead. So I can click here, convert it, convert the lead, and look at this. When I'm going to convert a lead, new opportunity name, Sun Lead Company, Marcus lead, user responsible me, follow-up task. We will get to the tasks and I will show you how we can use tasks. And you can have follow-up task, additional information, start date, reminder, progress, priority status for the stall task, and I can simply click save. And voila, lead was successfully converted. And look at this. And I have it right here. That the lead was converted. Right? And this is how you can do it. You can also edit this lead, delete it, clone, change record owner. And really play around it. So this is how we can work with leads. And now let's go further to opportunity. Here, you can simply go to the right, new opportunities. And right here, opportunity name, let's say Sun Opportunity. Organization is going to be the Sun organization. Additional information, nothing selected. Probably of winning, let's go 80%. Forecast close date is a date when you're going to be like forecasting for closing. It can be Saturday. Actual close date can be Friday. User responsibility me. And now you see the opportunity value here. We can go and change the currency, bid amount, or you can have per hour, per day, per week, per month, per year. You change that if you want. Bid amount, it's going to be like, let's say 5,000. Description information, and again, this is really similar. You just add here the description of it. Then you see the tag information, pipeline and stages. So pipeline, opportunity pipeline, and you can also edit those pipelines, of course, in the settings. You have stage of prospecting, qualification, needs analysis, proposal negotiation. So let's say this is going to be prospecting. And again, to who is it visible? Everyone, on its record owner, select a team, select individual people. Right? And that's pretty much how we do it. Click save. And you see right here. So right now, we see that for the company of Sun Opportunity, we have for the Sun organization, the Sun Opportunity, we created it. Then organization, Sun organization, and this is the opportunity that we have. When I would click on the Sun organization and relate it, we see that we have the opportunity right here for this organization. So that's how we do it. Of course, you can directly add an opportunity for the contact if you want to, but this is pretty much how it works. So I would click here on opportunities, and I can see clearly my opportunity. I'm going to zoom it out a little bit because it's pretty big. And here I gotta see the Sun opportunity. And this is how we do it. And you see the pipeline right here. So this is how it can work. This was the introduction to the opportunities that you can get. And let me get further to tasks. So under home button, you would see tasks here. When you would click on the top right, you can see task. and you would add a task name. So let's say it's going to be call client assigned to me. Category is going to be phone call, but you can have also to do. Let's say you would have a lunch. Due date, let's say Friday. Start date, reminder date. So let's say it's going to be Friday, reminder date 19th of August. Repeats, nothing selected. Every day, progress, let's say 25% or like 0%. Priority medium, status in progress, let's say. Or completed or deferred, not started. Call client, and then related to, or related to opportunity or a project. So I can have it to relate to opportunity, which is going to be Sun opportunity or Sun lead company. Stage prospecting. So it's added to the opportunity of prospecting for the Sun opportunity. Then you're going to see the description here that you can add and permissions, the task visibility, and click save. And this is pretty much how we do it, due in 2 days. Call client. Now what you can do, I just want to show you, is you can have it as a compact view, or you can have it as a grid view. So that's pretty good what you can do with Insightly, and you can have it like this. And this is what you can actually achieve here. So this is how you can see tasks for this week, etc. Now, the next step, what I'm going to show you is how we can use projects. Here, let me just zoom it out a little bit. I can go to top right again. You would find all projects here. I can go to top right, new project. I can add a project name, Sun project. Status, in progress or deferred or cancelled, abandoned, completed. Category, nothing selected. User responsible, me. Pipeline, project pipeline. And if it's a design, develop, complete, again, you can edit those stages. And really simple description, tag list, permissions. Click save. And now when I have it, look at this. I'm gonna see the project pipeline. I can click on related. And I can simply add a link of organization. Or I can add a contact. Right? Or I can simply click on a contact here. Related. And I would add a new link here. And you would add a role of the project. So that's how we do it. And that's how we work with our links. So if you can have any questions, guys, ask me down in comments. I'll be really happy to help you. My recommendation would be like directly creating those contacts, opportunities, projects on the client that you have. So you have everything under one thing here. Or you can do it this way as I do it. That's completely up to you. But this is pretty much it, how we can work with projects. The next step that I prepared for you are emails. But right before that, you can also change the pipeline stage. So when you would come here to the project and you would open it straight away, let me zoom in, you would see change pipeline stage. And you can change it right here. Also, we will try to find together in settings how we can change the names of the pipeline, etc. So let's go further and let me show you how we can work with emails. Here you can go to the right and click new email. And you need to create a new email here. So this is a free trial, but you would be able to write emails here. So that's what you can do. And then you're going to see the calendar. In calendar, you would see what you can add events. So let's say there's going to be a Wednesday today, and I'm going to add it to Friday. title, location, starts at, ends at, owner me. So coffee, location, ends 20, or let's say 11 August, owner of the event, save. And when I would check on the calendar right here, I can see clearly in calendar the event. Then I would click on the dashboard. In the dashboard, you can see, or you can create new dashboards. So I can go, look at this. These are the dashboards that when I would click on the home, I would find these dashboards here. So what I could do is to click on the dashboard and click on a top right new dashboard. And here, dashboard name and description. Click save. And here I can create a new card. So what I can do, look at this. I can simply add a new dashboard, new cards here. And I can play around it as much as you want. Now this is pretty difficult. It's not really difficult. It's like using a data studio or something. It's not difficult to understand, but it just takes time to master it. So I won't really go into this, what kind of things you want to create, because it's up to you what you do. So, but this is how we do it, right? Dashboards, and then what you can do also find cards here. And you can view cards. So you can create it directly by your own or using templates. Now, the last thing are reports here. Reports are really also straightforward. You find like lead reports and click on the lead report. First name, last name. And you would click here on run report. Actions and export to Excel. And you see right here the leads. So that's what you can do. You're gonna see organization reports here. Again, you can play around with the organization report. And really just switch, press and forward about your reports. And then the last thing that I want to show you is when you go to the right to settings, under user settings, you can see system settings. And you can edit a lot of things here. So let me just show you how you can work with that. You can go with the user list, the permissions, themes, and user interface leads here. Automations here. And you see right here, look at this. This is what I wanted to show you. You get plenty of stuff here, but this is really important. Data administration, you can have categories. As a follow-up, get started, meeting, phone call. Then you have lead statuses. Not contacted, and I can add status, visited. And then when I would go to leads, and I'm going to create a new lead, visited. See, I have it right here. Again, let's go back to settings, sorry. And let's click here to lead statuses. I can go also to lead sources and web, phone, inquiry, partner referral, purchase list, other. Lead conversion. And you can add everything here. Opportunity conversion. Open status, see, abandoned, lost, suspended, 1. And add a reason. You can have also like pipelines. This is really important. And you can edit those stages in those pipelines. So you got project pipeline, which is this one here, the 4 we had, and the 5 in opportunity pipeline. So I'm going to click edit stages right here. Plan, design, develop, complete. And I can add another, which is going to be postpone. And add a stage. Right here, when I would click on a project, and I'm going to zoom out, I'm going to click here. I see that postponed is right here. But as we can see, it's really far. So I can go to top right, click on a system settings. Let's click here on the pipelines, edit stages. And I can like delete it or change the number of it. So for postponed and completed. And this is pretty much it how we do it, guys. So thank you very much, guys, for watching. If you're gonna have any questions about Insightly, I'm really happy to help you. This is how you can use Insightly. This was just the introduction video. Thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.